Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday and I have another quick and easy video for you guys. And today I'm going to be making, I totally made this up. I mean, it's not anything new. I'm going to be making lanterns, but I'm calling them birthday lanterns because I'm going to be placing birthday cards inside the lantern. So you can give it to someone special on their birthday. How about that? I also think that you can use this as centerpieces, but since today is home decor, I am only calling them birthday lanterns. So, all right, let's get started. You are going to need 4 picture frames. I like these in particular because I think they look high quality, and these are from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take 3 of these. Let me move this one to the side, and then I'm going to turn them over, and I'm going to take the back out because I'm going to be pulling out the tabs. Pull the tabs out, make sure to push the tabs back to its original position. In this way you can prevent from the very sensitive wood to break. For the 4th frame, you are going to leave the tabs in, but you are going to get rid of the stand, okay? So you are going to need the back of it minus the stand. So now that that's done, I'm going to move on to painting, and this is totally optional. You can choose to leave the back of the frames as they are, but I'm going to choose to paint them because I think it's going to look very cute and polished. So I'm going to go ahead and paint them in metallic silver. I'm also going to be painting a square cutting board from Dollar Tree, which is going to serve as the base of my lantern in metallic silver as well. While I wait for all of the paint to dry on all of the frames and the vase, I'm going to be writing a message on the glass, and this one is going to say happy birthday, and I'm going to be using a metallic silver paint marker. You're going to want for the writing to be in the lower part of the glass because you almost want it to be as if it was going to be on the candle, as so. Okay? So all of my frames are ready to go, but now I'm going to start working on the ones without the tab. So I'm going to move this one to this side, and I'm going to start gluing the glass inside the frames. Next, we are going to put together the frame with the tabs, which is going to be the one that you are going to place your greeting card inside of. And you can still write, you don't have to cut it. You still can write a message inside, sign it. You can even place money in there for a nice surprise. Just make sure that if you're going to give this to me, it's more than $5, all right? I only have $5, so yeah, so you can still leave it in there, you know, write a note and place it in there. So what I'm going to do is just place the glass, and then I'm going to place the card. And of course you are going to get a card that's going to fit in here. And then I'm going to place my back on here like this. And then you are going to close the tabs. Okay, so I'm ready to put this lantern together, and the back of your lantern is going to consist of your greeting card frame. The front of it is going to be your message frame, and on these sides are going to be regular frames, okay? All right, so I'm just going to grab my super glue and glue them together. And it should look something like this. But now I'm gonna let it dry for about a half an hour, and then I'm going to glue on the base. And here it is. This is an amazing birthday gift. Only $7. You can also gift it as a housewarming gift or just to have around the house as home decor. I hope you liked, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Until next time, bye.